Hi guys, here is another beautiful recipe you will love to try. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this amazing bread without using flour. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. So I'm starting off with lentil seed. I'll just put it in a bowl, soak it in water for about 12 hours. So guys, as I was scrolling my Facebook page as usual, I just keep seeing this trending video, keep popping up, keep popping up. I said, okay, since I love to try new things, I think I'm going to try this recipe. So I went to the shop, I bought these lentils, I washed it neatly, as you can see in the screen, and then I soaked it in water for about 12 hours. Lentils are really healthy in the body. They are a good source of vitamin B, folate, iron, and potassium. They also contain high level of protein and fiber. And guess what? It's very easy to prepare. You don't need to spend much money to prepare lentils. So once I'm done washing it, I'm just going to soak it in water and allow it to sit for about 12 hours, or preferable, soak it overnight. So guys, this is how it looks after 12 hours. Next, I'm just going to rinse it out of the water and then use my blender to blend it smoothly. So next, I'm going to add the lentils in the blender, and then after which I'm going to be adding sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, whichever oil you have at home. Next, I'm going to be adding yeast on it, and then I'm going to blend it smoothly. At this point, you can add salt on it, it's optional. Next, I'm just going to close it and then blend it very smoothly. Honestly, this is one of the most cheapest food and the most easiest recipe I have ever tried on my channel. Lentils is really good for weight loss. If you're planning to kickstart your weight loss journey and you are a lover of bread like me, try this recipe. You are going to love it. Next, I'm going to transfer it into my baking pan, and then I'm going to be adding some seeds on it. So you can choose whichever seed you want to add. This one is optional. Just pour a seed on top of it just to make it look more beautiful. After which, I'm going to bake it in the oven. And then this is how it looks. It really came out nice. I wasn't expecting it to look this beautiful, guys. It really came out nice. I really love it. So next, I'm just going to cut it and show you guys how the inside look. Look how beautiful this look. It looks like bread. No difference with bread. Or will I call it a cake? Anyway, but it looks so beautiful. So guys, I was so eager to try this recipe just to know if it's something I would continue to do for a long time. When I tasted it, it tastes like beans in my mouth and at the same time like bread, or will I call it a cake? But it was very nice. This is something I would like to try. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. If you are going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.